are you, my friends? What is my task for today? Nikos, can you show us a nice recipe of chocolate pie, but vegan and gluten-free? Vegan and gluten-free chocolate pie, right for you. Let's go to the kitchen. Let's make this nice vegan and gluten-free chocolate pie. Our ingredients are so many, but the steps there are easy. Let's start together. Let's make the cake. In a mixing bowl, we add all the ingredients, but we start first with the juices. The mix is ready. We take a pan, we will cover it with a little bit vegetable oil. We put the mix and then in the oven. We take it in the oven. Meanwhile, let's make the cashew cream. And this step is very easy too, because we add all the ingredients there, we blend it for 5 minutes, and then we put it in the freezer. Let's start. The step number 3, a light syrup. This syrup has almond milk, coconut syrup, and cocoa powder. We add all the ingredients in a casserole and we warm it. We will not boil it. When the cake is ready, we will make some nice holes with a fork and then we throw all the syrup. And in the end, on the top, the cashew cream. Let's make it. Our cake is ready. We'll take it out from the oven, we'll let it rest for 30 minutes, and then with a fork we'll do nice little holes and we will add our warm syrup. Let's take a look how it looks, our cake. Oh, it's so amazing. After a long time in the freeze, our chocolate pie is ready. Let's cut a nice piece for me. Let's try our chocolate pie, our vegan and gluten-free. Oh my god, chocolate pie. It's so fluffy and creamy. Incredible. So delicious. Sorry guys. See you next time.